Come and see how we get our laundry done while we're in Bali. So first up, get all your laundry, put them in a bag for the driver. And then so we've been using Canggu Laundry Club. So they're really good. So then you go to your Gojek app, click on Go Send, then City, Canggu Laundry Club. Then just put in the Canggu Laundry Club and their mobile number. Once that's done, you just click Next. And then that's pretty much it. And it just gets us $1.20 order. They'll be here in just a few minutes.
Canggu Laundry.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
So after a few hours, you get this message from Canggu Laundry Service, but we're not going to go pick it up. I'll show you what we do next. So next, all you do is go shop down here, click order now, put in Canggu Laundry Club, just like that. Next, add item, put in laundry and the price of it. Save, and that is pretty much it. So my total comes to $121,000. So after a couple of minutes, I'm nearly ready to pay. So now for $1 all up, I think it was 133,000 rupiah. I've got all my clothes washed, folded, and dry. Back to me